Hey friends, it's Miss Thompson, and this project is called foil printing. These are the things you'll need: paper, pencil, permanent black marker, washable markers, a piece of foil, a spray bottle with some water. Go ahead and get your supplies and then restart the video when you're ready. Okay. The first thing I'm going to do is get my foil to be closer to the size of my paper. Now I don't want to cut it right up next to it, but I do want to get as close as possible. So I'm just going to use my pencil and kind of draw around it. And then I'm going to use my scissor to cut it. Okay, now I've got my foil a little bit closer, much closer to the size of my paper. All right, I'm gonna set that to the side. Now I'm just gonna draw a picture. I'm gonna keep this really simple today. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trace my hand. All right, now that I've got my hand drawn, I'm just going to use some lines and trace around my hand. And that's it. If you want to add more detail, you can. And remember, this is just what I'm doing. You can draw whatever picture you want. Once you see how this project works, you can do just about anything. All right, so I'm going to grab my Sharpie and I'm going to go ahead and start outlining this. Okay, this next part is gonna go kind of fast. You don't want the marker to dry too much on your foil or it's not gonna transfer to your paper. So now that my picture is finished and I have it outlined with the Sharpie, I'm gonna just set that over to the side. I'm going to get my foil and then I'm gonna start coloring it. All right, to help this transfer to my paper, I'm gonna go ahead and use my spray bottle and I'm only gonna give it 1, 2, 3 squirts. Then I'm gonna take my paper and you have to use it face down because obviously you don't wanna color the wrong side. I'm just gonna put my paper on top of my tin foil and then smooth it out. You can already see the color starting to transfer. Then I'm just gonna peel it off. There's not much left on my foil. And there's my picture. It kind of gets this tie-dye effect that's kind of neat. I showed you this one at the very beginning. This is the first one I did. Have some fun with this. Draw whatever you want. Color it however you want. And we'll see how it goes. Don't forget to post your picture on Artsonia. And here's that information. All right, we'll see you next time.